Welcome everyone. I'm so excited to have you here. If you want to learn about After Effects and how you can create some amazing composition and videos, you are in the right place. Just wanna talk about how this course is going to work. Well, it starts as if you are a complete beginner, you know nothing about After Effects, and by the end of this course, you will be an advanced level After Effects user. In the first few sections, we'll talk about the basic tools, the workspace, the timeline, learn how you can start animating and editing in After Effects. Each section deals a different aspect of using After Effects. Remember, After Effects can be used for a different purposes. We'll start with motion graphics and then move to the advanced part like visual effects, rotoscoping, character animation, screen replacement, expression, and many more. We'll also work on some amazing projects, try to recreate them from scratch, step by step. You'll have the project files and resources, download them so that you can use them and learn quickly. Don't worry, the course is quite easy to understand and can be quickly learned. This could be the start of your highly successful career as a video editor or a motion graphic designer or something else. As I said earlier, After Effects can be used for a different things. So let's start and hope you have fun while you learn.